Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make our Arrowhead necklace. This quick and easy necklace design makes a great gift idea for bridesmaids, your friends, or even you. Let's take a look at the products and tools we'll need to make this necklace. For this project, I'm going to be using a 20mm silver-plated green arrowhead gemstone charm. I have the 20 by 13 sterling silver medium corundum charm by Amoracast. I have some 2mm sterling silver flat cable chain. I have an 11mm sterling silver oval lobster claw clasp with a jump ring. I have 4mm silver filled 21 gauge jump rings, and then I've got a 5mm silver filled 21 gauge jump ring. And for my tools today, I'll just be using 2 chain nose pliers. You can find links to all these beads and supplies in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so to begin my necklace here, I'm going to go ahead and attach my lobster claw clasp to one end of the chain and then my 5mm jump ring to the other end. So to begin, I'm going to pick up my 5mm jump ring. Using my chain nose pliers, I'm going to pull one side towards me and one side away from me to gently open the jump ring. Then I'm going to grab the end of my chain here and I'm going to go through the last chain link with my jump ring here. You can see I've slid it on there, and then the same fashion that I opened it, I'm just going to close it by bringing the two sides together. And then you got that nice snap, you know it's nice and closed and secure. So I'm going to do that same thing with the jump ring on the lobster claw clasp. This is the nice thing about this lobster claw clasp, it already comes with a jump ring on there, so I decided to use that. And so then I'm just going to attach that to the other end of the chain here, going through that last open link. And then just gently bring the two ends together to close your jump ring. All right. So now that it's closed, I'm just going to go ahead and attach it to its other side there. So now I'm ready to go ahead and add my charms here. So I'm going to bring those down. So, and there's definitely a front and a back to this little Amoracast charm here. It's kind of hard to see, but there is some little writing on the back there. So you just want to make sure that you have it in the front when you're putting your piece together or when you put it on too. So same fashion as I open the other jump rings, I'm just going to pull one side towards me and one side away from me. I'm going to grab my arrowhead charm. I'm going to slide the jump ring on there. Then I'm going to get my Amoracast charm and then I'm just going to slide it through the bottom opening there. And then I'm going to go ahead and close it. And then I'm going to take my last jump ring, and I'm going to use that to attach my charms to my necklace. So I'm just going to go through that top little loop there. It's got a little opening, and I'm just going to bring the chain and just let it set inside the jump ring there. I'm not going to actually attach it to a link so it has the freedom to move. If you choose to have your charms not move on your necklace, you can definitely go through the middle link on your chain with the jump ring when you do that. Then just bring your ends together. And there, I've got this really cute little necklace that you could make in a couple different colors. Definitely check out our gemstones in the arrowhead shape. We have a couple of other gemstone colors, and we also have this component in gold if you choose gold. You can find all the tools and supplies for this inspiration design at fusionbeads.com.